Another day, another driving vlog. Got the Cobb Stage 3 tune in there. I've got the 3-inch Catless Downpipe. I had the DSG tune from Cobb set to aggressive, flash through the access port. I've got a dog bone insert mount. Not the whole pendulum mount, but just the dog bone insert, which does help with wheel hop noticeably, which is pretty dope. What else? My billet aluminum paddles. I've got a turbo inlet pipe. I have a drop-in air filter and high flow Kyosha air cooler tubing. Yes, I have sunglasses in here. That praise Moses. So I was definitely surprised how much sound I'm getting from just the downpipe alone. Like, honestly, I know the downpipe's the most restricted part of the exhaust, but you get a shitload more sound out of it, which is awesome. So that was just barely rolling on the throttle there. As you can tell, when you're just cruising, you're not really getting into it. It's actually really, really quiet. It actually sounds virtually stock when you're just cruising along. Like right now, I'm just driving mildly. It literally sounds stock, which is great. But then when you get on it or you downshift, you get these awesome burbles and pops and crackles and pops and all that good shit, which is awesome because this is just the downpipe. So I'll do a couple, you know, sound clips with the windows up, and then we'll do some with the windows down. So I'm gonna downshift in a second here. Do a little pulsy. You definitely get those DSG burbles, which is fucking awesome. But you only hear them, like I said, when you're getting on it. When you're just cruising, you know, conservatively, you don't get much, which is nice, honestly. Them crackles and pops, boys. What else can I say about it? She sounds good, boys. She sounds good. Get a little downshift in a second. Oh my God. A little bit of wheel spin there in second, but not too much. Oh, that's the other thing. I do have my wheels and tires that I just installed on here. I have a video of that, you know, the whole install process and all that shit. Oh my God, she sounds good, boys. So we're gonna take our usual little spirited drive route. And I'll try not to talk too much so I can get you guys the full sound clips. So it doesn't really feel any faster than it did on the Stage 1 tune, but you get quicker turbo spool up, so there's less lag. Let's go ahead and roll these windows up. You're getting, wow, less lag, which is awesome. You are getting an extra 1.5 to 2 pounds of boost, so I'm going from 25.5 to 27, which is, you know, not huge, but anything counts, you know. Cranking up the boost, anything counts. Let's go ahead and turn the traction control off. We are going to get to our little twisty, spirited road. Hopefully they're not doing construction on that road today, so we can actually get some sound clips. She sounds good, boys. Yeah, I love the downpipe because you don't get, you know, obnoxious drone or anything like that when you're cruising. When you're just driving like a sane person, you're really not getting any, what the hell? A couple kids on quads over here? Hell yeah. I bet you they're going to our road to go rip it up. Gotta love it. Kids having fun, right? Hell yeah. Man, I wish I had toys like that when I was their age. I didn't have shit. That's crazy. That's awesome. Good for them. looks like this Jeep dude over here was doing the same exact thing, man. I swear, like, everyone comes over here to have fun with their vehicles, which is nice that we have a place to do that. So yeah, it doesn't really feel any faster on the Stage 3 than it did. I hate this fucking road, man. But you get a lot more sound out of it, that's for damn sure. So this is a fun road to rip, but it's just got some really big potholes because it's currently under construction. Well, luckily nobody's out here, which is very nice. Ooh, almost hit that little divot in the road. Fun ass road, man. Big old pothole right there. So yeah, the turbo spool up is much quicker. That's the main thing I noticed, is that there's like virtually no turbo lag anymore, which is fantastic. Great grip on those new tires. Yeah, I am loving this, boys. Between the sound, the lack of turbo lag. Yeah, it's pretty darn quick, boys. But like I said, it really doesn't feel noticeably, if any, faster than it did on the Stage 1 tune with like no exhaust. So I don't know. I know Cobb's tunes are very, what's the word? Conservative, and you know, they're very safe tunes. So obviously I can get a lot more power with a Pro tune, like from Stratified or something like that. Just the long-term reliability and longevity, the fact that your engine's able to breathe better and be healthier when it has, you know, an air intake and an exhaust system on there. It's not really choking to get the exhaust gas out, which is nice. Second gear 20. Yeah, I really wish we had better roads to rip out here and do spirited runs on. We really don't have any good twisties out here. We have good little trails and stuff if you have like a dirt bike that you can go ride, but as far as like good sports driving roads, California, man, when I was living there, like they had Tail of the Dragon, the Redwoods, just like all kinds of really kick-ass places to go drive your vehicle. Sweeper here. Yeah, these new tires are fantastic. Yep, so we're getting up to 27.3 pounds of boost is what we've hit so far. Oh, over here at the landfill, that's always a fun, smelly place. Sounds pretty fucking good, if I do say so myself.
Oh my fucking god.
That's the one I hit earlier. At least it's not a big one. That's what she said.
Oh, we're gonna avoid these potholes, yay!
Does feel really good. Maybe the tune just hasn't settled in yet. You know, sometimes tunes have to learn the ECU and make some little subtle tweaks and adjustments. Maybe that's what's going on, because as I'm driving this more, the Stage 3 is feeling really good. But anyway, guys, let me know what kind of topics you want me to cover in driving vlogs, whether it be, you know, things going on in the car community, things going around, you know, with the COVID-19 affecting your local car shows, stuff like that. If you want me to do more installation and tutorial videos for you guys, if you want me to do more, you know, do-it-yourself home projects and shit like that, just let me know. Definitely here to serve you guys. Turbo spools rules. Holy shit, on this spirited drive, I've been averaging 14.8 miles to the gallon. Not the best, but, you know, if you're just cruising though, you can get up there 29, 30 miles per gallon, no problemo. Man, this thing rips.